The characteristics of a bully can be obtained by almost anyone. And just because a person is like that doesn't mean they want to or will bully someone else. So why do bullies bully? Well, there are many reasons why a person may pick on or harm others repeatedly. The most common reason is attention. Many bullies lack attention elsewhere, like at home, so they turn to harming others in some way to get the attention they crave. Another reason a person may take part in harmful behavior towards others is if they themselves have experienced being bullied before, either by a sibling, a friend, or a peer. By bullying, they feel more secure and powerful. Jealousy adds to the list of many reasons a bully may bully. Some people don't know how to cope with certain emotions. So if being jealous upsets them, their relief is to take it out on someone else, most likely the person they're jealous of. The last reason we'll mention is through role modeling. If a person looks up to someone who bullies others, they are most likely to act the same way. Friends, parents, siblings, and coaches are all good examples of bully role models. Yes, parents and coaches can be bullies by taking advantage of their authority, getting angry easily and saying the wrong things out of that anger, or by handling conflict in the wrong way.